Wow. Prophetess, me pacho, my name Komokakra briefly. She's just passing by to say hi. Yeah, man, the pressure. Gyakie, you're welcome to Adom Work and Happiness.
Thank you so
much. Nice, oh, dear, and your phone beauty now, Mokano, physically, near things, so saying, form, sweetness. Dripness, they won't find your hair. Why a nest, Dana? Because I said drip, no.
Oh, Darby. Dripping it was a pound.
Wow. Wow, Gyakie is in the building. You can join me live on Facebook now. I buy one who fit. The one fit. Thank you. Gyakie, this is Ghana's #1 radio station, certainly, and it feels good to have you in the building.
Right.
I know it's not supposed to be a sit and chat conversation like that. Wait, briefly.
Yeah.
In 1 minute, can you tell us what you've been up to? All we need to know about your brand, just briefly.
Yes, I have been working on the album since last year.
Meba, uti meboa.
It's a trip.
Nim dia mama no be can brofo.
So when I was starting.
I am a one. Some share mama brofo papa.
Oh.
Gyakie Kachi.
Right. My album now I'm dropping and no one am guswa me yehu ejuma.
Beautiful.
This year because so I dropping more music videos. We might probably go on tour, but the main thing I focusing on promoting the album. But and now no pa area idea. Na me wo echire ha na me say my memfa has say na menka hello na menchia mukaka. And then to also say thank you for the support mode muguswa modema the Gyakie brand.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wababe try the and your support in the show support because support pano. Yeah, Babe support to the max. But what's the title of the album again?
The album Eddie After Midnight.
After Midnight,
yes, 17 tracks.
I know, but for the benefit of more Gyakie has an album out and all. How long has it been out?
It's been out for, I think, right now it should be 5 months. If I'm calculating it right. And 17 tracks with 6 collaborations.
Wow.
Into Ubenya and different Bibria with favorite.
Wow. Wow. Feels good to know. Gyakie, thanks so much for visiting Adom 106.3.
Thank you for having me.
Oh, come on. We would want you to officially come back. Na Yembon Rao album. Some of the songs are doing so good on the streaming platforms. And then when you are performing as well, people sing along to tell you that it's not just numbers are here put together. It means they love the song at home, and when they see you perform as well, they love your personality. Thanks so much for coming through, Gyakie.
We look forward to yeah, beshishe.
Yashishe that until the person
mema date. I
understand. Gyakie, thanks so much for coming through.
Thank you for having me.
You're always welcome. Bye. Yeah, the Gyakie